Hello guys, this is Battey from Vnice Power. Vnice Power specializes in the energy storage battery solutions. Our products are widely used in the home and small commercial energy storage system. This is cabinet type energy storage battery. Use LFP battery cells. We use solid-state electrolyte to replace liquid electrolyte so that the safety performance of the battery filter increases by 90%. As you see, the standard 5 kWh cabinet battery pack. Specification is the 51.2V Ah using the 3U case with 14.5 kg. With handle all around. We use the smart BMS, don't need set up the DIP, automatic impeller, support to the 16 battery pack by impeller. Means that you can meet the capacity requirements of the 5 to the 18 for the customers. Our BMS can communication with the most of green inverters without the upper computer. And the inverter protocol can be selected one, which is very simple to operate. We use the 125 ampere circuit breakers, which can also communication with the BMS for when the BMS fails. The circuit breaker will cut off charging and discharge the battery to protect the battery. For more production information, please follow the Vnice Power. Thanks for your watching.